In this video, we're going to use Divi Blade for gravity forms to add a gravity form to the footer that when the user submits the form will not only return the user's information but also the page that they were on the website so that we'll know which page they used to submit the form. Now the form will be in the footer itself, so the form will appear on every page. So I'm going to toggle over to Gravity Forms, and I created just a real basic form that collects name and email, so that's what we want the user to see. Now normally for the hidden field, for the field value with a page link, I would use the hidden field type in Gravity Forms. In this case, just for demo purposes, I'm going to use the single line text form field instead, but if you built this for production purposes, you would want to use the hidden field and basically do the same thing I'm about to show you. So I'm going to call this field, I'll just set the label page of origin, and under advanced I'm going to check the box allow the field to be populated dynamically, and that lets you specify a parameter name, and I'll just call this page URL, all lowercase with no spaces. So I'm going to copy that to my clipboard so I'll remember what I set it to. I'll save the form. And now back out on the site, this is the area that I want to add the form to, and this is the footer. It's actually a global footer that I created in the Divi theme builder. So I'm going to Divi and theme builder to my global footer. And here's that space, so I'm going to add a new module, and I'll find my Divi Blade for Gravity Forms module. I'll select my interested in this page form that we were just looking at, and I'll show the page title. I'm going to enable Ajax, and I'll use the quick styles, and then up at the top, add new item, I'm going to set my page URL variable, which is the parameter that we set for this page of origin field, and I'm going to set that to the post permalink, which is the URL of the page that we're currently on. And I'll save that. So now out on the live site, I can go to any page. So let me go to product 3, and so this has the permalink for product 3. Product 2, the same thing. So when I submit this, it'll submit the user's information, but also the page that they were on when they submitted the form. And again, so the way I'd really like to do that is to back to my form. Rather than having a single line field here, I'm going to dump this and instead have a hidden field so that the user can't see it. And same settings, I'll just call that page of origin. Allow field to be populated dynamically, and the parameter name again is page URL. I'll save that, and then when I look out at my form again, it's cleaner. I don't have that extra information, but submitted as Jane Doe. And then when I go and look at my form entries, there's Jane Doe's information